Evening, everyone. It's Sunday evening at 6:35. I waited until the futures were open before doing this weekly update on the gold, and it is video number 808. Okay, so as you can see, the gold has worked its way into a really nice channel, but right now we worked ourselves to the end of that channel where the 5-day moving average, this purple line, is getting ready to cross to the downside through the 20-day. As you can see, this little dot, I know it's pretty nebulous in here, but the fact is it's right on or slightly below the line. And if it doesn't turn back up before the middle or the end of the day tomorrow, it looks like the gold is going to break back to the downside and at the very least test this 1845 area, certainly this low, which was 1855. So if we break that 1855, we will be well outside of the lower trend line for this parallel channel. I would not like to see that, and I think that it would look like things are rolling over. In the grand scheme of things, this chart shows the blow-off high here up to 2089, lower highs, a double top, which is almost identical, but in the same area. The high here was 1962 and a half. The high here was 1966.1. So this high from the week before last at 1919 would clearly be another lower high. And really, that's not what we want to see in a market that looks like it wants to work higher. So that's pretty much it on the gold. The rest of the futures are the oil is up a little, just a nickel. The nat gas is up another 1.7 cents. The gold, as I mentioned, down 9/10. The silver is also down. Copper is up a little. We have the S&P's up 4.5, the NASDAQ up 25, and the Dow up 28. Bitcoin is up 1,455. The dollar is slightly lower, which should give some strength to the precious metals, and interest rates are lower. The bonds are up 4/32, so roughly an eighth of a dollar. But that should also be somewhat supportive, at least not a negative, for the gold. All right, everyone, I'll be back first thing in the morning. Have a good evening. Enjoy tonight's letter.